How to hide notes on Facebook Messenger. The first thing you have to do is go ahead and open up your Messenger. And then from here, you're going to have to tap on the note that you want to hide. So as you can see here, a friend of mine has posted a note. So what I'm going to do here is simply tap on that note. And once you tap on it, here you will get an option at the top right with the three dots. Just go ahead and press there. Now you have only the option to hide contact. So there is no option to hide the note directly, but you can hide the contact. So tap on hide contact. And what happens is you can see less of this person. They won't be notified and you can unhide them anytime you want. So tap on hide contact. And once you've hidden them, you can just refresh. And after a while, their note will also disappear. So that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.